Biology, and I am Rajesh Biology. Today our topic is NCERT Biology textbook line to line reading. So it is a reading session from the NCERT, and that too the new concepts, that means new textbook 2020 to 23 textbook lo NCERT Biology lo ఉన్న line to line explanation మనం చేసుకుందాం. So before starting the session, let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Okay. First. Yes, the session is started. Okay. First. Yes, the session is started. Before entering into the session, I would like to introduce the course details and everything. Yes, the session is started. The course details are: first, you have to download the Rajesh Biology app from the Google Play Store. It is an Android app. And there is two courses are available present. At present the courses are cockroach and human reproductive system, and now we are going to discuss about the human reproductive system concepts. So I'll explain about this. It is actually 1000 rupees course, and I give the 30% off from this. So now the price is 700 rupees, and you have the coupon code also. Diwali special coupon code is there, Deep200. If you apply this coupon code, it will decrease another 200 rupees. So it is available for 500 rupees for the students who joined in this course before the 30th of this month. So you have only 2 days to join in this course with 500 rupees. You have only 2 days, and later also you can join, but you have to pay 700 rupees for the 500 rupees course which is available now. Okay, then next, and the concepts, the things what I'm going to discuss in this course is all the topics in NCERT and out of the NCERT, and regular test and doubt clearing sessions and everything. Okay, సో అందులో భాగంగా ఒక వీడియో ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో you can taste how the live sessions are conducted in యాప్లో లైవ్ సెషన్స్ ఏ విధంగా కండక్ట్ చేయబడతాయి అనే దానికి ఒక చిన్న డెమోగా ఈ వీడియో మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఇక ఈ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే హ్యూమన్ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టంలో మేల్ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ కంప్లీట్గా ఎన్సీఆర్టీ లైన్ టు లైన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, ప్రతి లైన్ నుంచి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమి ఉన్నాయన్నది కూడా మీకు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ లేట్, లెట్స్ డైవ్ ఇన్ టు ద సెషన్. బిఫోర్ దట్, ఈ లైవ్ సెషన్ మీరు చూడాలనుకుంటే ఇప్పుడే చూడండి, ఎందుకంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 24 అవర్స్ లేటర్ ఈ లైవ్ సెషన్ని నేను యూట్యూబ్ నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేసి గూగుల్ యాప్లో పెట్టబోతున్నాను. అని నేను రాజేష్ బయాలజీ యాప్ స్టోర్లో నేను పోస్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాను. సో ఒకవేళ మీకు యాప్లో ఛాన్స్ ఉంటే కనుక, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ రాజేష్ బయాలజీ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ కోర్స్లో జాయిన్ అయితే కనుక మీరు అక్కడ కూడా చూడొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ మిస్ అయినా. బట్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ కోర్స్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాచ్ హియర్ నౌ ఓన్లీ, బికాస్ 24 ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత నేను 24 అవర్స్ తర్వాత నేను ఈ వీడియోని యూట్యూబ్లో డిలీట్ చేసి యాప్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ నుంచి కూడా చాలా ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే అరైజ్ అయ్యాయి ప్రీవియస్గా. సో యాజ్ యూ ఆర్ అవేర్, హ్యూమన్స్ ఆర్ సెక్సువల్లీ రిప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ అండ్ వివిపారస్. హ్యూమన్స్ ఆర్ వివిపారస్ అంటే ద పర్సన్స్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ విచ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ యంగ్ వన్స్. ఎగ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే వాటిని ఏమంటాం మనం? ఎగ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే కనుక ఎగ్స్ని ఓవిపారస్ అంటాం. ఎగ్ అయితే కనుక ఓవిపారస్, యంగ్ వన్స్ జువనైల్స్ అయితే కనుక అది వివిపారస్. అండ్ మీకు ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది ఓవోవివిపారస్ అని. ఓవోవివిపారస్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే అవి ఎగ్స్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తాయి, బట్ హ్యాచింగ్ అనేది బాడీ లోపల జరుగుతుంది. దీనికి బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా ఓవోవివిపారస్కి మనం ఒకరేరియా బ్యాంక్రాఫ్టింగ్, ఫైలేరియల్ వామ్ అనేది ఓవోవివిపారస్, ఒకరేరియా బ్యాంక్రాఫ్టింగ్ మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్పచ్చు. అది ఎగ్స్ని లే చేస్తుంది, బట్ ఎగ్స్ అనేది బాడీ నుంచి బయటకు రావు, ఇన్సైడ్ ద బాడీ అవి హ్యాచ్ అయ్యి యంగ్ వన్స్ బయటకు వస్తాయి, కాబట్టి వాటిని ఓవోవివిపారస్ అంటాం. బట్ హ్యూమన్స్ ఆర్ వివిపారస్. నెక్స్ట్, ద రిప్రొడక్టివ్ ఈవెంట్స్ ఇన్ హ్యూమన్స్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ఈ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ ఈవెంట్స్ స్టెప్స్ చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ప్రతిసారి అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. ఆ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ ఈవెంట్స్ ఏ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయన్నది చూస్తే ఫస్ట్ గ్యామిటోజెనిసిస్, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ గ్యామిటోజెనిసిస్, అవి మేల్ నుంచి అయితే కనుక స్పర్మ్స్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫిమేల్ దట్ ఈస్ ఓవం. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ insemination. Insemination means transfer of sperms. Transfer of sperms into the female reproductive tract is insemination. And then next, fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes, that is fertilization, and that leads to the formation of zygote. This is followed by next, development of the blastocyst, and the blastocyst get attached to the uterine wall, implantation. Every word is a 2 mark question, every word is a 1 mark question, and every word is a NEET examination question. What is implantation? Attachment to the blastocyst, attachment to the uterine wall. Fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes. And insemination, transfer of sperms. Gametogenesis, formation of gametes. And embryonic development period, gestation period, 9 months period. Delivery of the baby, what is parturition? Delivery of the baby is parturition. So these are the steps, and I think we already discussed about these steps. You have learned that these reproductive events occur after puberty. All these are happen after puberty. The remarkable differences between the reproductive events in the male and female. For example, sperm formation, very important. It continues. Sperm formation will continues even in old man, but formation of ovum ceases in women around the age of 50 years. Actually, it is not formation of ovum, the release of ovum, that is called ovulation. The release of ovum, ovulation is ceases in women around the age of 50 years, but the formation of ovum is already stopped before the birth actually. Of course, we will discuss about the female reproductive system also. మనం ఫిమేల్ రిప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ కోసం కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఓకే, బట్ స్పర్మ్ ఫార్మేషన్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ మెన్. Formation of ovum ceases in women around age of 50 years. This is the previous examination question, like statement type questions. Statement 1, statement 2, like that they give. Both statements are correct. Statement 1 is correct, like that they give. Okay, let us examine the male and female reproductive systems. But in this live session, let us examine male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is located in pelvis region. Very important, in pelvis region. It includes a pair of testes along with accessory glands, accessory ducts, and external genitalia. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll write here the important points. Instead of highlighting with blue color, I'll underline that. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. Please underline this in your NCERT textbook. Testis situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch. That pouch is called scrotum. The scrotum helps in maintaining. This is the previous question. The scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testis, lower than the normal internal body temperature. How much it is? 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade, lower than the normal internal body temperature. This point is very important. I'll show the previous question from this point. Okay, necessary for spermatogenesis. So up to here, for spermatogenesis, testis should maintain a suitable temperature. The suitable temperature is how much? 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade, lower than the normal body temperature. Normal body temperature 37, for example. Well, lower than this means 35 or 34.5, like that. Okay, in adults, each testis is oval in shape. Testis is oval in shape, and the length and the width, please note down this. Width is 2 to 3 centimeters. 2 to 3 centimeters width, and 4 to 5 centimeters length. Centimeters, it is not millimeters, it is centimeters. 2 to 3 centimeters width, 4 to 5 centimeters length, and it is in oval shape. And testis is covered by dense covering. Here tunica albuginea is not mentioned here. dense covering. Each testis has about 250 compartments. This is also important. And they are called testicular lobules. Now we will see the questions, previous questions. 2011 one question is there. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. This is complete NCERT line. What we underline here, ఇక్కడ మనం అండర్లైన్ చేసాం కదా. From this complete, the scrotum helps in maintaining. Okay. The purpose served is for. The purpose served is for what? Maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature, escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs, providing more space for the growth of epididymis, providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. Can anybody answer for this question from the students? The students who already watched the previous questions, previous videos, and the students who are in this live session, you can simply answer from this line. 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than the body temperature, normal internal body temperature, necessary for the spermatogenesis. So the answer is what? Maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature is the right answer. Okay, so next paragraph. From this paragraph, from this particular paragraph, 3 questions are there. More than 3 questions are there. We will see. First, I'll read the paragraph. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. How many? 1 to 3. 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Next, in which sperms are produced. So sperms are produced from the seminiferous tubules. Sperms produced from seminiferous tubules and lined on its inside by 2 types of cells. 2 types of cells are there, that is germ cells, male germ cells and Sertoli cells. Both are present in lining. Okay, they line. Very important, lining and covering. So they line 2 types of cells. Seminiferous tubules are lined by germ cells and Sertoli cells. Germ cells are also called spermatogonium. Okay. The male germ cells undergo meiotic division. Very important previous NEET examination question, PU examination question for the Karnataka and Kerala, Tamil Nadu, different states who are writing CBSE board examinations. For them, this is 1 mark question. Which cells undergo meiotic division to form the sperms? Male germ cells are spermatogonial cells. So the male germ cells undergo meiotic divisions. Male germ cells undergo meiotic divisions finally lead to the sperm formation. While Sertoli cells, this is very important. Sertoli cells provide nutrition. Provide what? Nutrition to the germ cells. That's why Sertoli cells are called nurse cells, nourishing cells. Nourishing cells. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules called, so if it is the seminiferous tubule, outside space is called what? Interstitial space. An interstitial space contains interstitial cells. They are also called what? Leydig cells. So many questions are there from germ cells, Sertoli cells, Leydig cells. Germ cells and Sertoli cells present inside the seminiferous tubule like this. Inside the seminiferous tubules, the cells are present like this. Leydig cells present outside the seminiferous tubules like this. Outside, interstitial cells. Okay, and germ cells produce sperms. Sertoli cells 2 functions, nourishing and hormone. It releases a hormone called inhibin. Okay, and Leydig cells produce androgens. So Leydig cells can synthesis and secrete. Very important, Leydig cells not only secrete, they synthesis, they prepare, they synthesize and they secrete. They synthesize and they secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Andro means male, male character hormones. So male hormones. Okay, they are secreted from what? They are secreted and synthesized by the Leydig cells. Leydig cells are present in the where? between the seminiferous tubules. Along with this, immunocompetent cells are also there. Immunocompetent. Okay, they provide protection. So come to the questions from this. Can you answer the questions from this paragraph? Anybody? The Leydig cells as found in the human body, the Leydig cells as found in the human body are the secretory source of. They secrete progesterone. No, progesterone is secreted from where? It is secreted from the placenta, corpus luteum. Okay. Intestinal mucus. No, it is not from the intestinal mucus. Intestinal mucus is secreted from a different source. Yeah, Chandrakant. Androgens. Very good. You can get this answer from here. Androgens. So if we read line to line concepts, we can simply answer the questions as the right answer is what? Androgens. And Sertoli cells are found in where? Ovaries and secrete progesterone. They are found in ovaries, or they are found in adrenal cortex, or the seminiferous tubules, or the pancreas. Yes, Chandrakant, very good. It is seminiferous tubules. It is present in seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to the germ cells. Next, fourth question. Sertoli cells are regulated by all the questions what are present in this live session. All the questions from previous NEET examination question papers. Okay, so many questions are there, and I'll prepare so many questions also in app. I'll provide the regular test for every video. Every video individual test is there, and at the end of the concept, I'll provide 3 grand tests also. Okay, and these are the previous questions. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as. Can you answer this? Very important. Gonadotropins. Released from pituitary gland. Okay, we'll discuss about this hormonal regulation also. At that time also I'll mention. 2 hormones are there, 2 gonadotropins are there, LH and FSH. Okay, LH stimulates Leydig cells. FSH stimulates Sertoli cells. So according to this, the answer is B. FSH, yes, Chandrakant. FSH regulates the pituitary hormone. Sertoli cells regulated by FSH. Male hormone is produced in the testis by cells of. Male hormone is produced in the testis by the cells of. In 1993, it is produced in the testis by the cells of. It is also repeated question. Yes, very good. It's me, Varun. Leydig. Chandrakant, excellent. That is Leydig cells. So all the questions from these lines only. Next, location and secretion of Leydig cells are. From this single paragraph, how many questions are there? You can observe. Location and secretion of Leydig cells: liver and cholesterol, ovary and estrogen, testis and testosterone, pancreas and glucagon. Can anybody say from this? Yes, it's me, Varun, and Chandrakant. Both are attended at the same time. Very good. It's testis and testosterone. Come to the next paragraph. It is also very important paragraph. The male axillary glands, ducts, the male sex axillary ducts include rete testis, Vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules of the testis open into the Vasa efferentia through rete testis. This line chala important. This line please underline in our NCERT. This line is very very important. 2 to 3 questions are there from this single paragraph. In that 2 questions are from this single line. A single line gives us so many questions. Seminiferous tubules of the testis. Seminiferous tubules of the testis. These are the seminiferous tubules. Opens into the Vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia I'll draw here with the green pen. Vasa efferentia. Through what? Through, I'll draw the dark blue color. Through the rete testis. This is the line. The Vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into the epididymis. It opens into what? Epididymis. Leads into the vas deferens that ascends into the abdomen. That will ascend into the abdomen and loops over the urinary bladder. It receives a duct from, it is also very important, it receives a duct from seminal vesicle and open into the urethra as a ejaculatory duct. So ejaculatory duct, if it is the duct of seminal vesicle and it is the duct from vas deferens. It is ejaculatory duct. So ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport the sperms from the testis to the outside through the urethra. So last one, urethra. And urethra is the common passage for both urine and semen. The urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to its external opening called urethral meatus. So let's see the questions from this. Vasa efferentia are the ductules leading from testicular lobules to the rete testis. These are the lobules. Okay, and here it is the rete testis. And these are the vasa efferentia. So vasa efferentia, about this question, can anybody say vasa efferentia are the ductules leading from testicular lobules to the rete testis? No, it is outside the rete testis. Rete testis is here and it is vasa efferentia. So it is wrong. Rete testis to the vas deferens. Somewhat correct it is. Vas deferens to the epididymis, it is completely wrong because vas deferens is after the epididymis. Epididymis to urethra, it is also wrong. So the suitable answer, yes Varun, very good. The suitable answer is B, rete testis to the vas deferens. Next question, can you answer from the same paragraph? The shared terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system in the human male. 8th question answer, can anybody? Reproductive and urinary system both. And I am saying this live session will be removed from the YouTube after 24 hours. Okay, so if you have any friends in your contacts who are preparing for the NEET, this session is helpful for them. You can invite them. After 24 hours, this live session is removed from the YouTube and I am going to upload the video in an app along with the PDF, what I explained here. Okay, the shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in human male is, yes, very good, it is urethra. Very good Varun and Sai Dikshit, Chandrakant, excellent. Can you say for the 9th question answer? First, if for some reason the vasa efferentia means this. For some reason, if vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system it gets blocked. Okay, the gametes will not be transported from, what is here? Will not be transported from what? Can you say? So it is the transport, yes, a testis to the epididymis. Yes, the remaining all options are wrong. Ovary, vagina, these two are female reproductive system. Epididymis is after the vasa efferentia. So the right answer is testis to the epididymis. They will not move. 9th A, very good Chandrakant and Varun. Excellent. So 10th question, can you say, can you arrange the order? Which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of system? Don't get confused with the this type of symbols. It means arrow mark. Rete testis, vasa efferent ductules, epididymis, vas deferens. Rete testis, epididymis, efferent ductules and vas deferens. It is 2016 question. For 10th question, you also can mention with the question number, it is better. And rete testis, vas deferens, it's Varun. He said A. Yes, correct. If it is the testis, ductules, that means seminiferous tubules are present inside this. So it is the network. So from rete testis, efferent tubules. From the efferent tubules, epididymis. From the epididymis, vas deferens. So the correct answer is option A. Correct, Varun. Excellent. And I'm going to explain this again for once. Like there is a app Rajesh Biology in Play Store, and two courses are available. One is from first year cockroach, second year human reproductive system. The prices are like this: 1000 rupees course is available for 700 rupees only, and there is a coupon code. If you apply this coupon code before 30th, only 2 days are remaining. Before 30th, if you apply this coupon code, another 200 rupees discount is there, and you can get this course for only 500 rupees because of Diwali offer. And I'm going to upload the regular videos, classes, and this type of live sessions are conducted in app and PDF materials, and materials also, the test series also I'm going to conduct. So the students who are interested, they can join. Before 30th, they can get this course for 500. After 30th also course is available, but only for 700 rupees. Okay. Now, the penis is the male external genitalia. It is made up of a special tissue that helps in erection. Erectile organ, penis, of the penis facilitate the insemination. Which organ inseminate? Penis helps in insemination. The enlarged end of penis is called what? Glans penis. Okay, covered by the loose fold of skin called foreskin. The male axillary glands include seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bulbourethral glands. We already discussed about these three glands in detailed manner in the app videos. మనం యాప్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసిన వీడియోస్లో ప్రతి గ్లాండ్ కోసం కంప్లీట్ క్లియర్ కట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేసుకున్నాం. బట్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీలో అంత ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వలేదు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో ఇది ఇనఫ్ నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి అయితే కనుక. సెక్రేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ గ్లాండ్స్ కన్స్టిట్యూట్ seminal plasma. Seminal plasma means not the secretion of seminal vesicle. It is the secretions of prostate, bulbourethral, seminal vesicles, which is rich in fructose. Chala important, very very important question. Fructose is not available in human body. It is not available in human body except in semen. It is available only in semen. Fructose is present only in semen. You know, in some cases like rape cases, the doctors or the forensic reports, they give the report based on the presence of fructose in female reproductive tract. If the female reproductive tract has the fructose content, that means she got raped before the death, before the killing. Okay, so this is the fructose, and fructose is very very important, which is present only in semen. Calcium and certain enzymes, the secretions of yes, Chandrakant, thank you so much. And he is the first member of this course. Chandrakant is the first member of this course. Okay, thank you Chandrakant for your support, and please try to share to your friends also. Come back. Fructose, calcium and certain enzymes, the secretions of bulbourethral glands also helps in the lubrication of penis. Very important, bulbourethral glands for lubrication of penis. For lubrication of penis, bulbourethral glands. So this is the glands and everything. So questions. Seminal plasma in human males is rich in, very important question we just discussed. It is rich in what? Anybody from this live session? Seminal plasma in human males is rich in, Chandrakant. Fructose and calcium. Very good. Fructose. Fructose is present in seminal plasma. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose? It is asked in 2010, and the same year there is a mains question 2010. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzymes in a different manner. 12th question, Chandrakant says A, male axillary glands. Perfect. Sai Dikshit, perfect. So diagrams are also very important. So I'll try to give the explanation about this. So it is the testis. Testis is present outside the abdominal cavity within the pouch called scrotum. So you can draw this scrotum first. Okay, So scrotum, and it is the testis. Posterior surface of the testis there is a epididymis. So you can draw the epididymis like this. Okay. From the epididymis the vas deferens is runs into the abdominal cavity like this. It runs like this. So it is the abdominal cavity. It loops over what? It loops over the urinary bladder. So you can draw the urinary bladder here. Yes, it is the urinary bladder. Okay, and very important, please focus here. It loops over the urinary bladder and it collects a duct from what? It collects a duct from seminal vesicles like this. Okay, and it enter into the prostate gland as a ejaculatory duct. So from the ejaculatory duct, this is what? Urethra. So if it is the urethra, it is glans penis. And if it is the glans penis, urethral meatus, it is external genitalia. Okay, and this is what? Yes, of course, here it is the rectum. Okay, like this you can draw the diagram in a simple manner, but all the parts should be mentioned. Prostate gland, so ureter, which is from the kidneys, seminal vesicles, they secrete fructose, urinary bladder, vas deferens, prostate gland, penis, urethra, and glans penis, the bulbous projection or enlargement of the penis, glans penis. Glans penis is covered by a fold of skin called foreskin or prepuce, and the anus, rectum, ejaculatory duct. Okay, and the testis, scrotum, bulbourethral glands are present immediately after the prostate gland, and the same structures you can observe here. Okay, so you can draw simply first the urinary bladder like this, and at the center of the urinary bladder you can draw the ureter. So ureter is continuous like this. So after then you can draw seminal vesicles either side of the urinary bladder like this. So if it is the seminal vesicles, it is the vas deferens. Okay, and it is what? Prostate gland. Immediately after the prostate gland there is a bulbourethral glands, and this ureter passes through the penis. Penis is supported by two corpora cavernosa. So it is like this, and there is an enlargement at the end of the penis. There is a enlargement like this. So it is glans penis, and of course these two are arise from the scrotal sac. So there is a testis like this. So within the testis, vas deferens. So like this you can simply draw ureter, vas deferens, epididymis, vas efferentia, rete testis. So remember, testicular lobules, these are the testicular lobules. From there, rete testis network, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, loops over the urinary bladder, collect the duct from seminal vesicle, enter into the prostate gland. Okay, urethra, urinary bladder, urethra, and testis, foreskin, glans penis. Simply it is the diagram. So it is the seminiferous tubule diagram. From this also, from diagrams also questions are there, previous questions are there. I was failed to mention the previous questions from the diagram, but I will present in the test series. Okay, interstitial cells. So it is the what? It is tubule between the red color space. Red color space is the interstitial space. Interstitial cells, spermatogonia present in this. Spermatozoa, these are the spermatozoa. Within the seminiferous tubule only Sertoli cells. Okay, so I am going to explain the course about the course again. 30th of this month is the last date to apply the Deep 200 code, and after the 30th you have to buy this course by paying the 500 rupees. So as soon as possible try to buy the course Human Reproduction and Reproductive Health. I am going to provide regular classes also, and tests also conducted, and this video, the PDF, both are present in this course. Okay, after completion of this live session, after 24 hours, this live video is going to removed from the YouTube, and I'm going to upload in the app. And the students who buy this course, they can watch this video for 2 years. They can download this PDF also. Okay, and if there is any questions or any queries, you can contact me through Call Me For app, or you can directly message through the Insta Rajesh Biology, and try to join in our Telegram channel for regular live updates and small quizzes and small informations and everything. And try to download the app Rajesh Biology from the Google Play Store. Okay, so this is about today's session. I hope you all are understand this concept, and you all are enjoyed with this subject. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.